look at this BS here. You guys know I hate people that ride in this lane right here. Not hate, that's a bad word. But you guys know I despise people that ride in this lane, right? For no reason, just cruising. But then this is the worst. When you have 3 cars that are basically all going the same damn speed, taking up the entire highway. What kind of ridiculous crap is that, man? Boy, I swear to God, Florida got the worst drivers in the world. By the way, that one has a New Jersey tag, the truck in the middle. But this is ridiculous, man. Come on, bro. That car, you need to be all the way over here on the right lane. And then these people, why would they be going the same? God, come on, man. Killing me. Get back to my happy thoughts.
Oh my God, what is...
What's all that, man? Come on, you washing the car in the heat outside? Look at the shaker, man.
No, that's there. That's been there. That's been there. No, that happened. That probably happened when the car was sitting outside back when I lived in the apartment.
But isn't it ceramic coated, so shouldn't that not happen or what?
No, it'll still happen because back then my car would get rained on with that hard water and the calcium nestled in. I gotta use this thing called Spotless to get it out. I just haven't had the time to do it.
Oh no, that's this clear bra, baby.
That's the clear bra, yeah.
Yeah, here.
No, that happened. That's my fault.
This right here feels like the ceramic coating had dirt in it on the clear bra. Here, you're smooth.
You're talking to a girl
professional detailer right
she's
there.
She's been in it for a while.
I'm about to say she's been in the game.
Say that.
I'll wash you. What's up? You want to do a wash off? Nikki against you, though.
All Jordan got to do is come over. I got my shit at my house, man. Or I'll come to you on mobile.
I might have to do that, man.
Yeah, for real.
But nah, for real.
Here's a secret.
That was my fault. Because I tried to get that out and this wouldn't come out.
What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy FaTkaT, of course, bringing you another, man. So today I'm at my dude's garage-driven's house. He about to do an install over there on modern day muscles car on a rear diffuser, man. So I'm gonna bring you that footage real quick so you guys can see that how it looks on the Challenger. He did work on this car right here already. He did a wicker build and roof spoiler, and I got here a little bit late and I missed it, so unfortunately I won't be able to bring that to you. That was gonna be a whole nother video of the install of that, but I got here a little bit late. Actually, what happened, I only got here about 20 minutes late, but he just started without me, so, but it's all good though. Don't worry about it, Paul. I got you. Nah, but anyway, man, but it's all good though. I did get here a little bit late, but I'm gonna catch this one on video for y'all. So hopefully y'all could, you know, figure out how to do that or whatever. If y'all want to see how it looks and all that on the Challenger, there y'all go, man. So let's go. In the meantime, I guess I could go and show you guys what this looks like though. But he did do this. So he did this wicker bill right here. Obviously, so this part right here. He did the wicker bill. And then he did the roof spoiler right here. He did the roof spoiler and that wicker bill, man. Like I said, I couldn't bring it to y'all. My bad. I'm sorry. If you want to follow this car right here, this build, make sure y'all follow him right there, man, on Instagram. All right, man. So let's go check out this one. This is what the diffuser looks like outside of the car, man. This thing is huge.
Don't spray the whole
But this is what it looks like. I think, is this 2 pieces?
Yes.
Yeah, 2 pieces. There's 1 piece on the bottom. Yeah, man, this thing is like a big ass shovel. Anyway, but yeah, man, so this was gonna go under there. Oh, got them toes right there. Look at that Paul's wife's toes. Yep. But anyway. Anyway, but yeah, so this is going on the back of that, so I'm definitely gonna bring that to y'all for sure. But this is what it looks like outside the car. All right, so we're not gonna be able to, or I say he's not gonna be able to install the wicker bill.
The diffuser.
I mean, yeah, man, the diffuser. I'm still thinking about the wicker bill that I should have been caught on film that you did without me. But it's all good though. We talk off camera about that. But
oh, you look Chick-fil-A on me.
But anyway. Alright, that might make it up. You know me and Chick-fil-A.
That's what I'm saying.
Me and God's chicken. But anyway, so explain the reason why we can't install this
Alright,
diffuser.
so if you got a Dodge Challenger, the cross member on the rear, where right behind the differential to the rear of the car, there's a black cross member. There's 2 holes in there. It should be threaded or non-threaded. Jordan's own obviously was non-threaded, so basically there's nothing to screw these into. This actual threads right here needs to go up into the cross member, and there's no threads there. So what ZL1 add-on, well, the option he should have chose was that his cross member was not threaded, and it would send him rib nuts to put up in there, which is like I guess like a kind of what they use on the wicker bills. You guys might know what I'm talking about. But yeah, pretty much goes in there, you use a tool, clamp it down, and it creates threads now for you to be able to screw this in.
So, are you still on the website?
Oh, yeah, let me go there.
Because this is valuable information now. They need to know this now.
So I'll start from the beginning so you guys can see what I saw. So if you're on the website, right, and you just click, this is the diffuser I got, and you click on it, and you scroll down, this is threaded, and you need to
automatically, yep.
It's threaded automatically. You need to select this one that's not threaded. But then it's like at the same time they expect you to go underneath your car and check.
Yeah, that's
because just because I'm saying that, don't take that as like like word and be like, oh, okay, let me go get this one, because honestly you may never know.
So in that drop down you got an option to either threaded or non-threaded.
Right, yeah.
So
but automatically it says threaded.
It says threaded.
So what you want to do before you go ahead and order this, you want to get your car on a jack. Or
stupid.
It's kind of crazy because not everyone have access to a jack and stands. You don't want to just put on the jack and go underneath.
So that's what I'm saying. So that's weird if you know, because the average person, we were just talking about, like the average person won't know if there's a threaded or non-threaded. Exactly. Like just the average customer is not gonna know that. But you gotta go in there and look. But then on top of that, like how many people really know what they're looking at?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's two. That's part two.
And then when you go and see other YouTubers do it, and you think it's that way, then you go and do it, and then you actually got the wrong thing.
So I wonder if it goes by year. Like are y'all the same year?
I'm a 17.
Yeah, it's 18. What is the workplay drop called?
Yeah, so we gotta
well, crap, I think he did it on the Hellcat. I think he did it on the Hellcat.
So
that was a Hellcat. Yeah.
So you have to probably look it up to see and
automatically come threaded from what I saw online. So I did saw another video where they said the Hellcats automatically comes threaded.
Yeah, so we could probably Google it, and it might go by year too.
But then and again, how would you know?
Yeah, we wouldn't know until.
You gotta go underneath and look. Honestly, kind of sucks, but you want to jack your car and check underneath.
Or Google it and see, because like I said, it might go by year. It might go by year.
No, but I think it's just the chassis itself is how they you know, whatever they put together to deal.
I mean, I still think.
What the manufacturing, yeah.
Nah, I'm saying, but like whatever, like okay, so right when they putting the cars together, you know what I'm saying, they got literally pre-assembled stuff already. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So if it's like that year, like I'm pretty sure it's all the same thing. So then like if it's like the next year, oh we switched from that to this.
Yeah, non-threaded to threaded, because this car's a 17.
Depending on the year, you know what I'm saying?
Never known 18, they could have switched to
They could have switched, right? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. They could have switched it because, you know, or they changed it for whatever reason. Yeah. And that's on the product line now. You know what I'm saying?
Alright guys, we thought we was gonna get you guys a nice little install and show Jordan the diffuser, but he probably gotta wait another week.
It might be longer than that.
Yeah, you never know. Yeah.
I think it
now, you know what?
He waited 30 days for that.
Now, you know what? We did get support rods from my brother's car. 2 days. I don't know. So certain things they'll send out fast.
Yeah.
But that's a little small box. I'm guessing it didn't cost them.
I was saying because those should already be. I mean, they should have those with it on the shelf.
That's what I'm saying. So what
he
needs
is pull them in and send them.
What do you need? Who's that bag?
The clear bag.
So this is kind of similar to what they're gonna send. So this is what they use for the wicker bill. Oh crap! Sorry, Butterfingers, y'all. But anyway, so this is a rib nut right here. Basically, it's like a rivet anyway. But anyway, so they want to send something like this, but it's a little bit bigger, just to be able to screw on there. So basically, you put this up inside of the cross member, and it has a tool that locks it in, and then you're able to screw it in, because this has threads inside of it. See what I'm saying? So you get what I'm saying? So this goes up in there.
So it's the same thing as you do to the wicker bill.
Yeah, pretty much, exactly. Yeah. So you're just putting this in just to make your own threads, and then you're able to put this in afterwards. So without those, if yours is not threaded, you're gonna have this problem.
All right. So man, so today was a dud for me anyway.
Yeah.
For me anyway. For you too.
Okay, you got a little something.
I got a little something. I mean, you know, but you know, at the end of the day, it's educational.
Yeah, exactly.
We did learn a lot today.
Yeah, we did learn. I mean, that does suck because
not every day is we're gonna do mods and it's gonna be.
Yeah, not every day is gonna be 100%. This is actually the first time I came to Paul's house and
and it was a dud.
And it was a dud, but
It wasn't a dud because of me now. It was you.
Yeah.
Oh,
let's get that clear.
Nah, it's not his fault either.
no, but it's like no. I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, shit happens, you know.
Yeah, of course.
So, but
You wasn't meant to stunt this weekend when you had the diffuser on.
nah, it wasn't meant to be.
Yo, but you know what though? He said yours is the 18. You said
Yeah.
it would be. We should check that
I'm
one
gonna jack it up and check it.
and see if it's different.
I need to know so when I buy
That's
one,
what I'm saying.
See if it's
Yeah,
different.
Exactly, because you're gonna go to the same thing, so we must jack it up.
All right.
Yeah.
This is something else educational. The active exhaust squeaks on these cars.
Oh yeah.
So if he finds this car up right now, sometime you might hear squeak, like what is that? You know what I mean? And then every time you accelerate, you'll hear it like squeak, like that's the active exhaust moving. As soon as you touch the accelerator lightly, it'll open, and you'll hear that noise. It just gets dry for some reason, and it just needs.
You know what's crazy? I've never heard no noises out of my
For some
stuff.
reason, I've never heard it on the 19.
And I just had somebody ask me the other day on the on when they did the catless mids. It was like, do you hear like any whistling or rattling? I'm like, no.
No, that's somebody asked me that saying you must have been the same dude.
Yeah, maybe.
I was like, nah, I have no issues with mine. But honestly, they did change the active exhaust on the 19s because I do low-end springs all the time. When you unplug it, the older ones make like a kind of like a singing noise when you plug it back in, like it'll be like beep. You can hear it like setting back, and then the 19s they only go like click click. You know what I mean? So something's different. They changed it. Yeah, so
because we hear it on next car.
Yeah, the tone of the car is different on the 19 also, but yeah, they did change the active exhaust. So I'm thinking that's why all the new ones, 19 and newer, they don't have no issues with it squeaking. So it must be the 17. This car's a 17. My car did it. My car's an 18.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Jeff has the same issue with his car. So after a while, the exhaust just gets dry and it just squeaks when it opens and closes. So that's just something you guys might want to spray. Literally, if you look at your active exhaust,
I got the WD-40.
yeah, there's like some holes. There's some holes on the pipe on the active exhaust. You literally get a can of WD-40 like this, or whatever, or something a little bit better with the little bit of little straw in it, and just put it in the hole and just spray it, and then lube it. And
So we used that last time,
yeah, but
and it worked, and it ended up happening again. So
Yeah.
I brought something a little stronger.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. You might want to
Yeah.
get something a little stronger. That one seems like it doesn't last long.
Yeah.
It'll last a few months, but it might come back. But that's just something that we've been running into.
Yo, real quick, because I didn't get it on camera. Can you just point to me where that part is underneath the car? Do you mind?
Yeah, let's do it. You want to lay down under the car with me?
You saw.
Whoa.
You saw that he went there first.
Should I bring you guys a blanket?
Come on, man. You got to get up under here, man. Act like a mechanic.
All right.
All right. Your camera pointing at me, bro.
I'm waiting for you to. Okay, it's right there. All right, cool.
So these are the holes right here that should have threads in it, and pretty much this would have went in here and just screwed right in. But obviously there's nothing there, you can't screw it in. So once you get that rivet nut, that rivet nut or whatever it's called, rivet, you gotta put it in there. We lock it in, and there's two of them, this one and that one. That's it.
That's why the mod can't happen today, guys.
Where's FaTkaT camera at? Let's show the hole. Let me try and get the. So guys, this is it right here. Let me go ahead and let's see if I get this thing focused. There we go. All right. So these are the two holes right here.
No comment.
All right. So this one right here doesn't have. You see, it doesn't have any threads. So this is what I'm talking about. The actual rivet nut goes in here and it'll tighten down. So right now there's no threads in there. This was the issue why the diffuser couldn't go on today.
So no install today, but a lot of educational stuff for y'all, man. So y'all know.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Learned about the diffuser. Learned that Jordan
How to
don't know.
wash my car.
Jordan doesn't know how to wash his car.
It's all good. You take care of it.
Right?
Yeah.
Yo, come on. You cleaned the car yesterday. What happened to that wheel though? Yo, you got the easiest wheel to clean. And look at the barrel.
And let me tell you what they sell. Ardex, who are the company I go through, they sell a wheel brush that's about this long, about that wide.
Oh, you can put it right in there, right?
Shit just goes in there and it does wonders. You don't even have to get your hand in there, cut your hand, and no, you just shit.
Yo, that's an easy wheel to clean though.
That is
Yo,
not easy to clean.
word of advice. You look at your rim, you might clean the face sometime. Pay attention to the barrel, bro, because a lot of people see that. You know what I mean? When you're on a show,
and especially yours, because yours is not open.
yours is open.
When you go to a show, call me.
Yeah, you gotta clean inside there for sure. That's just me being picky with like cleaning my car. My Daytona wheels, if you look at the barrel, clean all the time. But when you look at my car, I want you to be like, oh shit, that's just clean. Like you want to think, did this shit really even drive? Meanwhile, they ship you up and down the road all day. Excuse me for issuing a lot on the camera.
Yo, so
As long as we ain't dropping no F-bombs on the camera.
so real quick,
I learned that real fast
I wasn't
the other day.
recording
You
real
heard?
quick, but
The F-bomb?
apparently my car cleaning skills are not so good. Actually, just horrible. Whatever.
You gotta start somewhere.
I gotta start somewhere. There's other things that I'm picky about,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yo,
But anyways,
this guy can clean the car though. I'm gonna say that too. I watch. This guy can clean the car.
You know.
But you know what?
I used to detail.
I'm about to say, yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, I used to detail before.
Let me-
Now I'm lazy, so I don't clean it as good as I should. But I still know how to make it look good.
You know what's right and wrong.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I would use the, on that, I would use the chain wax, motorcycle chain wax. The wax. Yeah, I would use the, I would use the, a wax on it, because every time the exhaust heats up, it melts, it kind of
you heard it a little bit when it first started.
And then once the car cools off, the car goes back up.
Yeah, like keep going. No, it definitely is. Because if I would have rolled down the street,
I was like, are you really explaining? It's not the blink fluid, trust me, I know what it is.
I didn't even hear that.
All right, man. So that's it for that one, man. You guys seen we pulled in this that other Charger again, cause other Challenger again, cause we about to do something else to that. So so y'all seen what happened with Jordan's car, educational, I guess, video. We're gonna come back again and actually when he gets the right parts, then we're gonna do that one. So we'll be back and do that one again. But we pulled this one back in so we could show you guys something else to do real quick, because even though they already did Wicker Bell, they got something else that they go do to that car right there. And they're going to check under his car because his car's an 18, so they're going to see if the you know, if it's different as far as underneath with the threaded or non-threaded. So I'm going to show you that as well. We're checking to see if it's different between years, and then also we're going to do something else to this one. So y'all ready for that, man? Stay tuned for that video, man. This is going to be the next one. All right, stay tuned. Let's go. And by the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Y'all know how it is, man. Everybody stay safe, stay motivated, stay positive, and all that good stuff, man. And always stay genuine, you know what I'm saying? Because anything else will be uncivilized.